There are things you should do, important things you should do before uploading your videos or after uploading your videos. But in this particular video, I'll focus on things you should do before you upload your videos on YouTube. You don't just wake up, create content, and then you go ahead to just upload on YouTube. It is not done. If you don't do all of these things in place, honestly, you're not going to be achieving that result that you are praying to achieve. You understand? YouTube is work. YouTube is you putting in the work. And in all of my videos that I bring down to YouTube, I must do these things. If I don't do these things, there is no need for me going to upload YouTube. You understand? YouTube videos. Because why? This particular thing you're doing, you're creating a brand for yourself. And you want to get all of that visibility. You want to get recommended. You want people to still come back and watch your videos. So you have to ensure that all of these things are things you put into place before uploading your videos. Like I said, in another video, I will do after uploading your video. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes, and I'm back again with another man-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Before I take you to the practical aspect, let's talk about the normal theoretical aspects. Now, one of the things that you need to do before uploading your video on YouTube is you have to ensure that your videos are well prepared. If that video is blurry, do not upload. If the sound of that video is not okay, please do not upload. Make sure that the video, you watch it very well during the process of editing to be sure that it is appealing to the audience. Because once you have subscribers, for example, and then they click a particular video to watch, and they find out that that particular video is not giving them the vibes that it's supposed to give them, they will definitely not come back. They will assume that all your remaining content are the same. I understand the fact that you are new on YouTube, you're just trying to create, you're just trying to navigate YouTube, you're just trying to ensure that you get one or two things in place, right? But it is still very important that every single video you are bringing down here to YouTube is appealing. You understand? It is so painful that you go to some person's content, you find out that the content is blurry, you can't even hear what the person is saying, or is it that the angles of the videos are different? That is why I will always advise a beginner, always carry out your research, or if you have any of these questions that you want to ask us, book a section with us so that at the end of the day, you know that you are on the right track with what you are doing. It is best for you to be on the right track, especially with what you're doing, than you just go ahead and do your thing anyhow. Please, before you bring any content or upload the content to YouTube, ensure that it is appealing to the audience. You have watched that video, you have edited that video, and you're sure that this video is perfect. Another thing is ensure that it is not against the YouTube community guideline, so that you don't have issues receiving strike or you're having copyright here and there and you're looking for how to remove it. That is number one. Now, the second thing I'll always tell you is, let's go to my YouTube studio now so that I'll break it down for you in details. So let me open my YouTube studio. The second thing you're going to do is generating a title that people can search. Now, depending on the kind of content you're creating, if you're creating a content that is relating to vlog, there are searchable titles relating to vlogs. A Day in My Life is one of the most sweetest searchable titles. A day in the life of a single girl, a day in the life of a married woman, a day in the... That's why you see that recently, if you're checking on your timeline, A Day in My Life, plenty. So within your niche, ensure you write out titles that are searchable. This is one of the things that will help you. Now, in crafting your description, ensure that your description is carrying what your video is all about. Your description don't need to be lengthy. The length of the description, it doesn't mean that that is what is going to actually help you. This is the two important things you should pick out in your description, which is what? Like you can see that I said in this video, I share with you 10 legit live stream app. I earn over 100 to 1,000 USDT every single month just live streaming. It simply means if the YouTube algorithm is coming to this particular description, once they pick the first word, they already know what the video is all about. The thumbnail and the first end can tell them what it's all about. So ensure that that is one of the most important things. I go to some people's description and I see a very lengthy description and I tell them, Lengthy description does not mean that they will keep pushing your content. You going to ChatGPT to generate a whole long description, it doesn't mean that your videos is going to be popped out there. Put a description that once YouTube come, they will pick it out. Oh, this is talking about 10 legit live stream app. This is talking about 1,000 to 100 to 1,000 USDT. You understand? And live streaming app. They pick with that and they run with it. And please ensure that your thumbnail is appealing to your description and also your title. Some person's content, if I go to their content, the thumbnail is different, the title is different, the description is different. It is not going to make you achieve the results. Now, you can see that anybody looking for how to make money online, how to earn $1,000 monthly, 1,000, 100 USD monthly, because of I have the thumbnail, I have the title, I have the description, YouTube will be able to push that. So if you're telling me a day in your life, your thumbnail should also be able to explain a day in your life. You can't just come here and put a day in your life and then I'm seeing cop as the thumbnail, like it looks somehow. So your thumbnail, your title, your description should appeal. Now, this is one of the most important things. Timestamp. Timestamp is very important. Now, what do you do and how do you generate your timestamp? You rewatch your videos before you upload and then you map out the timestamp of where this particular thing happened. Where did I start the tutorial? Where did I talk about house help? Where did I do this? And you draft out your timeline according to your video. You can see that this particular video is 10 minutes long. You can see my time stamp here is what? Is how I broke down those apps one after the other. And you can see it is on 9 minutes here. Now, this particular one is an extra. So if you choose to craft an extra description for your people, like your business and the rest of that, because you can see here, for business inquiring, this is my mail, and then for to join my Telegram group, if you choose to craft that, this one is left for you. But the most important thing that YouTube will pick, I'm telling you the honest gospel truth with my experience, is you see this short description, this first description, and then the timestamp. That is the most important thing that YouTube will pick. Every other person that is coming to your description box, right, is coming to either want to get one or two information, not YouTube. Now, the next thing you should always look out for you to create, I will always tell you, is end screen. I've done a video about end screens. Let me know if you want me to do a detailed video on how I do my own end screens. I will also let you know on that, okay? So ensure that your end screens and your cards are well put together. There is no video I put out here that I don't put my end screens and my card, because I know that they are very, very important, right? Now, the next thing that you're going to do that is very, very important is to do what? Is to put it in a playlist. And if you're putting it in a playlist, please do not just put your videos in just one playlist. At least, at most, put it in 3 different playlists. You understand? Because if I don't like this playlist, another person can like that other person, but in all, make sure that your videos, every video you're bringing on YouTube should be at least, at most, 3 playlists. Now, ensure that your audience, if your videos are not meant for kids, take note they are not meant for kids. Don't go and put always ask me. There are days you will forget. Take it that your videos are not meant for kids so that YouTube can recommend your videos to the right audience. Now, when you take your video that your videos are meant for kids, YouTube will recommend your videos to kids. And if they find out that those videos are not appealing to kids as well, they might just at the end of the day strike you or remove the video because it's not appealing to kids. So make sure that your videos is always putting no, it's not meant for kids. If you have a paid promotion and maybe they give a video to sponsor, you can choose to either put my video is sponsored or not. And that is it. Now, the most important thing again that people are joking with is this word altered content. Ensure that you choose no, my video is not altered. It is very important. That is for those of us that people like us where they talk with ourselves, they vlog by ourselves and do everything. But if you're using AI, then you go choose what? Yes, my video is altered. If you're a faceless channel that you're using all this kit animation and the rest of that, then you choose that your content is altered because not be you did the talk. But we choose no if you know that you are the one creating your content by yourself. Now, the most important thing, you see this particular one, automatic chapters and key moments. Please turn it off. Turn it off. I intentionally turned it on when I was coming to this place. Turn automatic chapters and key moments off because you already have a timestamp. If you don't have a timestamp, then you can leave it. But because you already have a timestamp, turn it off so that the timestamp can do their job for you. Now, featured videos allow automatic plays. You go ahead, tick it, automatic concept, ticket, now your tags. A lot of people will tell me that, oh, Vibe Designer, I've put my tags in the description. Do I still need to put the tags on these tags? And they are very, very important. Anywhere you're generating your tags from, either from vidIQ, ChatGPT, tag generator, anywhere, make sure that when you generate your tags, come to this your tags section on the desktop version of your YouTube Studio and paste it. It will allow your videos to do a whole lot. Even if you're not getting all the 100% views that you're getting now, people will still be searching for your content and they will still be getting the maximum results that they are looking for. So these tags, they are very important. You understand? Now, you can see here, if you go to the description of my content here, you can see here, I also talked about the ultimate earning disclaimers and the rest of that. You can see me putting some hashtags here. You understand? But it doesn't stop me from putting my main tags again here. A lot of tags. So when someone is looking for make money online, this video can pop up. When someone is looking for online income, it can pop up. Passive income, monetize live stream income, live stream, it will pop up. That's the work of tags. That tags cannot give you all the 100% views, but tags can help your video pop out there. That's the honest truth. Now, language and caption certification. In each of your video, ensure that you choose your title and description language. Don't just go there and put none. None. You are simply saying you are not in any locality or what. But if you're in English-speaking country, put English. If not French, put French. If it's Yoruba, put Yoruba. You understand? It is very important. Video language is very important again. English. Choose any English. If you click on this drop-down icon here, you will see a lot of languages that you should choose relating to the kind of language that you have. You go ahead and choose them. Anyone you want to choose, you can see they are different. And if you want to even put this normal English, you put this normal English. As simple as that, and you move. Now, record dates and location. For me, it's not even important, but if you still want to put, go ahead. But I do not put it in my videos. I put things that I know that it is standard. Now, allow embedding, very important. Some persons just go ahead and think, oh, I don't want to allow embedding. Or what will allow embedding simply means YouTube can allow other sites to embed your videos in other sites. And it simply means you're going to be getting more views in other sites. So allow embedding, it is very, very important. If you're not doing it, now you sabi. Now, go ahead and do what? Allow video and audio remixing so that when people are video and audio remixing your content can also have other visibilities and drag traffic down to your channel. Now, category. I don't know for others, but as far as I'm concerned, no matter the kind of niche you are, leave it on how to and style. As far as I'm concerned, except if you want to go and put it in music, maybe your own music, but what's fine. But lifestyle, education, I prefer how to and style, because how to is one of the things that people regularly search for. So because your videos is linked to that particular category, it will enable your video also pop out. So I'm not getting views this 2025. Ensure that all of these things is okay. Turn on your comments, make sure it's on basic, and what? Search by this, and you click what? Show how many viewers like my video. It's as simple as that. Now, once you are done with this thing, you go ahead and save. There is no way you're not going to be getting that attention that you're looking for. There is no way you're not going to be getting that visibility you're looking for. Yes, it might not come at once, but these are things you should always put in place in your videos. These are things that will help you route your videos, even if it's not now, even if it's in the future. So if you're not doing all of this, you are wrong. Now, the last thing you do before uploading your video is what? Pray. Pray. Pray that as people are watching and the algorithm is speaking, it should pick to the right audience. Because one of the most dangerous things that is allowing your content not to do very well is wrong audience. And once algorithm puts it before your audience, and before you know they swipe, they no watch, they keep swiping, the more they feel like your content is not important, your content is not interesting, and they gradually trash it down to the bin. But if you pray and God help you put your videos out on the right audience, and as they are putting it there, they are clicking to watch, there is no way you're not going to be achieving results. These are most important things that you should do before you upload your videos on YouTube. If you're not doing all of these, or you feel like all of these are not important, you might be the reason why your channel is not doing well. So ensure you carried out these activities and thank me later. Anyways, if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you want us to come and check what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. This is where I personally check your channel for you. With these flyers you're seeing displaying on the screen, with this same mail, faithonusha3195@gmail.com, send us a mail and thank me later. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.